ठीक है, इंग्लिश का एक है। हाँ, इंग्लिश का। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ डिड गांधी जी रीच चंपारण? चंपारण के स्पेलिंग CHAMPARAN। एंड हाउ डिड ही सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ फार्मर्स? आंसर, गांधी जी रीच्ड चंपारण एट द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ राजकुमार, ठीक है, RAJKUMAR, राजकुमार शुक्ला, SHUKLA, a poor peasant, PEASANT, who had arrived to take his help. When Gandhiji reached Champaran, he found the oppression, OPPRESSION, and backwardness, BACKWARDNESS, of the place. He decided that going to court was useless and started a civil disobedience movement. Disobedience की स्पेलिंग DISOBEDIENCE। दूसरा क्वेश्चन, वाई डिड गांधी जी चाइल्ड द लॉयर्स? CHIDE, चाइल्ड द लॉयर्स, ठीक है। तो आंसर है, गांधी जी बिलीव्ड इन इक्वल अक्रॉस टू जस्टिस, ठीक है, अक्रॉस, सर, इक्वल एक्सेस टू जस्टिस। व्हेन when he came to know about the hefty amount, HEFTY amount, AMOUNT amount charged by lawyers for taking the peasant case, he decided the lawyers for collecting big fee from the poor sharecroppers. SHARECROPPERS. Question 3, what did Gandhiji do after knowing the miserable condition of the farmers at Champaran? ठीक है, the peasant of Champaran's villages were culturally and socially backward, and they were cursed and fear stricken. FEAR, fear, फिर dash, फिर STRICKEN, stricken by the British due to the sharecropper agreement. Gandhiji freed them from the exploitation, EXPLOITATION, by teaching them that they had rights. Question 4, what did Rajkumar Shukla do to bring Gandhiji to Champaran? Rajkumar Shukla went along with Gandhiji everywhere until the time Gandhiji agreed to help him. He was adamant, ADAMANT, to take Gandhiji to Champaran to solve the problem of sharecroppers. Impressed by him, Gandhiji agreed to go to Champaran. Question 5, why did Gandhiji agree to the settlement of 25% refund to the farmers? When the landlords, LANDLORDS, agreed to pay a refund of only 25%, they wanted to create a deadlock, DEADLOCK. To everybody's surprise, Gandhiji accepted the offer. According to him, the amount of refund was less important than the fact that the landlords had been obliged to surrender part of their money, and with it part of their prestige, PRESTIGE. अब ये सिमरन साहनी का पहला क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द कंडीशन ऑफ पीजेंट्स बिफोर गांधी जी अराइवल इन चंपारण? ठीक है, The peasants were compelled, COMPELLDE, to plant 15%, ठीक है, of their land and on their land with indigo crop. Indigo crop and surrender the entire harvest as rent. When Germany developed synthetic indigo, SYNTHETIC indigo, they were asked compensation, COMPENSATION, for making them free from 15% indigo plantation. Those who disobeyed were beaten by hired criminals. Hired, HIRED, ठीक है, hired criminals. दूसरा, what steps did Gandhi ji take to remove the cultural and social backwardness in the चंपारण, ठीक है. आंसर पहला, ओपन प्राइमरी स्कूल इन 6 विलेजेस एंड अरेंज्ड फॉर टीचर्स, ठीक है. दूसरा, इन्वॉल्व्ड कस्तूरबा गांधी, KASTURBA, कस्तूरबा गांधी, टीचिंग द विलेजर्स पर्सनल क्लीनलीनेस एंड कम्युनिटी सैनिटेशन, ठीक है. तीसरा, ही ऑल्सो अरेंज्ड फॉर डॉक्टर्स टू वॉलंटियर हिज सर्विसेज फॉर 6 months एंड 3 types ऑफ मेडिसिन वर मेड अवेलेबल. अगला क्वेश्चन है, हाउ डिड गांधी जी बिगेन हिज मिशन इन चंपारण, ठीक है. आफ्टर रीचिंग चंपारण, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गांधी जी कलेक्टेड ऑल द फैक्ट्स, द इंफॉर्मेशन, एक सेकेंड, द इंफॉर्मेशन. After reaching the Champaran, first of all, Gandhiji collected all the facts and information. He visited the secretary of the British Secretary, SECRETARY, of the British Landlords Association, but could not get any information. He also called on the British official commissioner COMMISSIONER of Tirhut Division, TIRHUT Division, DIVISION, but could not get any positive response. So finally he proceeded to Motihari, MOTIHARI, the capital of Champaran. How did Gandhiji react to the commissioner's advice and where did he go? इसका आंसर है, when Gandhiji was served an official notice with an advice from the commissioner to leave the Champaran immediately, IMMEDIATELY. He refused to obey it. He was then served a summons to appear, SUMMONS, to appear in the court the following day. Then Gandhi sent a telegram to Rajendra Prasad to come along with his influential friends, INFLUENTIAL, फिर फ्रेंड्स. क्यों? तो भीख मंगवाना है, दिमाग खराब है. उसके बाद अगला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डज गांधी जी मीन बाय कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ ड्यूटीज? Conflict, CONFLICT, of duties. Answer, Gandhi meant that he did not intend to set a bad example as a lawbreaker, LAWBREAKER, by disregarding DISREGARDING, the official order to leave. He had to listen to a higher court of law, his conscience. He wanted to follow his conscience. पांचवा, why did गांधी जी say the battle of चंपारण is won? ठीक है. आंसर, the lawyers had decided to go home if Gandhi ji went to prison, but Gandhi ji asked the lawyer what would become of his injustice to the sharecroppers. The lawyer thought over it and decided that they too would follow. Two, TOO वाला टू है. Two would follow Gandhi to jail. This was the time that when गांधी जी, फिर उसके आगे उसका मुंह है, that the battle of चंपारण said that the battle of चंपारण was won. ठीक है, ये हो गया. इस तरह पप्पू का कॉल आ रहा है बाद में, किसी का नहीं आ रहा क्वेश्चन. किस तरह पप्पू का. इसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. हाउ डिड द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सिंथेटिक इंडिगो अफेक्ट, यह AFFECT वाला, अफेक्ट द इंग्लिश ई स्टेट, ई और उसके बाद स्टेट की स्पेलिंग, ओनर्स एंड द इंडियन टेनेंट्स, TANNTENANTS. Answer, the English estate owners saw that indigo cultivation, CULTIVATION, was no longer profitable. They wanted money from the sharecroppers as compensation for being released from the 15% arrangement. They obtained agreements from the tenants to this effect and extorted money, EXTORTED, money, illegally and deceitfully, DECEITFULLY. सातवां, हाउ डिड द इंडियन पीजेंट्स रिएक्ट टू द न्यू एग्रीमेंट released them from sharecropping agreement? Answer, the sharecropping agreement was troublesome, TROUBLESOME, trouble और some की spelling साथ में, to the peasants. Many of them signed new agreements willingly. Some resisted and engaged lawyers. Then they came to know about synthetic indigo. The peasants wanted their money back. Question number 8. Who do you think Gandhi was not permitted to draw water from Rajendra Prasad's well at Patna? Answer, the servants of Rajendra Prasad thought Gandhi to be another peasant. उसका चेहरा है, फिर हिम, फिर फुल स्टॉप, फिर दे वर नॉट सर्टेन वेदर ही वॉज एन अनटचेबल और नॉट. दे feared from his bucket might pollute the entire well, so he was not permitted to draw water from his well. Why did Gandhi decided to go to Muzaffarpur before going to रुक Why did Gandhi decided to go to Muzaffarpur before going to Champaran? ठीक है. Answer, Gandhi wanted to obtain more complete information about conditions then उसके बाद उसका मुंडा है capable of imparting. ठीक है, IMPARTING, फिर फुल स्टॉप, फिर मुजफ्फरपुर lawyers who frequently represented peasant ब्रीफ गांधी अबाउट देयर केसेस. पीजेंट के बाद उसका चेहरा है, फिर एक दो वर्ड होगा, फिर ब्रीफ गांधी अबाउट देयर केसेस. 10वां, रुक जा यार, फिर 10वां है वाई डिड गांधी, नहीं इसका आंसर हो चुका है. बस एक सेकंड, शायद हो गया. हाँ हो गया.
इसलिए मुजफ्फरपुर जाते हैं वाई डिड गांधी जी चाइड द लॉयर्स? डांटना मतलब होता है चाइड करना, मतलब क्यों उन्हें डांटते हैं? वॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम वॉज द रियल रिलीफ फॉर द शेयर क्रॉपर्स? वो कहते हैं रियल असली असली मतलब कि आराम इन्हें कब पड़ेगा? तो वो सबसे पहले उन्हें डांटते हैं लॉयर्स को कि आप इतनी मोटी मोटी फीसें क्यों ले रहे हो इतनी गरीब फार्मर से। दूसरा इनका ये फैसला कोर्ट में हो ही नहीं सकता है। इनको डर लग रहा है ब्रिटिशर्स से, तभी ये डर के रह रहे हैं ब्रिटिश लैंडलॉर्ड से। तो कभी भी रोज ना इंसाफी करेंगे, वो आज की बात है कभी कोई होगा तो भी। तो सबसे पहले इनका डर निकालना है, तब जाके कोई हल निकल सकता है। सो विद दिस ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन भी कंप्लीट होता है। अब पढ़ेंगे हम अपने नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इन द नेक्स्ट